Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. You have to get a straw, get them arranged in this pattern, and then you need to cut them up in this form and put a pearl in between, and this is gonna look absolutely amazing. Further here, get a sheet, you need to get the cuts around, and then what we need to do, you need to arrange them in this pattern, get them beautifully arranged like this, and then get them beautifully made into this form. This is gonna look absolutely pretty, isn't it? You can just arrange them up in this way, and this is looking damn pretty. Now here you have to get a sheet, just cut them up in this form and get the beautiful flowers made. You need to get them attached, and then you need to further arrange them in these beautiful stems. You have to just arrange them one over the other and then just get the leaves around, and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Further make a bouquet like this. Further here you have to get a corn, just get the seeds like this and then arrange them up in this pattern. With the help of glue gun you need to attach them further and then make this beautiful flower pot. Now here using thread, you need to just make it in this manner, make the star part as well. You need to arrange them up in this way, and let's see what are we gonna do out of it. You have to get a stick and then arrange them up in this pattern. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Just get the pearl inside and then you need to make these wall hangings. This is gonna look prettiest. Now here get a straw, you need to get the cuts in this manner, and then here you need to just secure it with the help of tape. Further here you have to get them arranged in this pattern. You need to get the cuts and incisions like this and then arrange it over a stick in this manner to get a beautiful and lovely look. Then arrange it into the form of a beautiful flower pot. This is gonna look absolutely amazing. Now here you need to press the circular sheet and then you need to just attach them up, get them beautifully arranged in this pattern, and here you need to make a stick as well and make this beautiful umbrella. This is nice. Keep on proceeding further and let's see what are we gonna make. You have to get the conical shapes like this and arrange them up in this pattern. You need to get beautifully arranged in this way, and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. You have to arrange them up in this pattern, get the leaves made and then secure them up in this way. This is gonna look pretty. Now here again what are we up to? You have to get these beautiful pinky sheets and then you need to arrange them up in this manner, get the curls like this and arrange them in this way. Further here you need to attach them up in this manner and then get a stick. Further you need to get them beautifully arranged with the help of your fingers. Now here get a sheet, press them up with the help of your fingers, get them beautifully rolled in this pattern, and then what you need to do, you need to attach them up in this manner, and this is gonna look absolutely amazing. With the help of tape you need to make the patterns like this, unwrap it, and this is gonna look